If you only got 1 or 2 jobs you need a smoke machine for, the Economy Series is a good way to go. $79, you need a 12-volt battery source and a shop supplied air connection. Now if you wrench in a shop or use a smoke machine more frequently, the Shop Series is built a little more robust. It's better for frequent use. Still need a 12-volt battery source and shop supplied air. This one goes for $119. Now the Shop Series Plus, this one same robust design, but it has a built-in air compressor. So if you don't have a shop supplied air connection, this is a really good way to go. This one's $129. And this is the top dog of all smoke machines, the Ventus. It's got a built-in air compressor. It's got built-in lithium-ion battery recharged with USB-C. It's got instant smoke regulated to 1 psi. It vaporizes it so it doesn't stink like other smoke machines. And it's also got this leak detection gauge on the left. So if you plumb a system, you can see how large your leak is. It's got a really nice aluminum construction. The slides feel great. It's got a lifetime warranty too. Not to mention, this has a lifetime warranty, this has a lifetime warranty, and that has a 3-year warranty.